Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to recover deleted messages on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So if you have ever mistakenly just deleted a message in your messages app in your iPhone, what you can actually do is you can easily recover it. Now there is a 30 days time limit if you can just remember it, and if you remember it, if you've deleted the messages before the 30 days, you can easily recover it. There is no long process, there is no backup required for this. What you'll need to actually do is you'll need to head over to the filters that is on the top left option. After you head over to the filters option, there you will see the recently deleted option. If you tap on it, there you will see the list of different messages available. If you just select one and tap on recover, on the bottom right corner there is the recover option. Tap on recover and that will just recover your messages. Now if you head back to all messages, you'll find the message right there. So it's that simple. That is how you can recover deleted messages on your iPhone. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe.